This is a tutorial on how to use the history part of Elementor. So we'll use this if we accidentally delete something or we don't want to remove something. So firstly, we'll exit out of this, we'll cross that out. So we've removed that and we think, oh no, we actually want that. So what you can do now is come down here and you can go past settings, navigate it, and there's history section. And you've got actions, so this you can see this is the part that was removed, and we can go back one step and that comes back to us here. We haven't saved anything, so that would be fine. So let's actually remove it and then we'll update. So and this is when we can use this as well, and that will still come back and we can update. If there was a revision, something that happened a lot longer time ago, normally it's over 24 hours, you can go over here to revisions. So you can see here that we've edited it. Oh, we actually can go back to this previous steps as well, and they can go back to there, and you can even go as far back as, looks like we've got a week ago that we can go back to here. So whatever we had back then, we can do that, and everything that was done then will come back as long as you press update. And that is how you use the history section.